Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix message failed to send on iPhone. So solution 1, check iMessage settings, open settings, scroll down, tap apps, find the message app, tap messages, ensure message is turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and then back on. Tap on send and receive and make sure to active your iMessage on iPhone with number or Apple ID. Scroll down here, we will see an option that called send as text message. Make sure to turn it on. Solution 2, start the message app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double click the home button to open the app switcher. Find the message app and swipe it up. To close it, after that, restart your iPhone. Now again, check your message app. Is it working or not? Solution 3, enable background app data. Open settings, scroll down, tap general, scroll down, tap background app, refresh, tap on it. From this setting, make sure to set this to cellular and Wi-Fi. Solution 4, update iOS. Open settings, scroll down and tap general, tap software update. If an update is available, tap download and install. Solution 5, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down and tap general, scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, select reset network settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi password, so that's how you can fix the message failed to send error on your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.